Paano po nyo maipapatupad? Kasi ang tinitignan po dyan para makatulong ng malaki sa kabuhayan, ekonomiya, at of course yung pag-generate ng ika nga revenues para sa nasabing region. Can you give us an example or at least an overview kung ano ang gagawin ninyo as governors ng nasabing region in preparation for 2025 na ika nga sabi natin kung yung full implementation nito. What can we expect na maaaring mangyari?
My understanding is that mauna yung internal rules and regulation, no? So we will need experts here, no, to formulate our internal rules and regulation, no? The key for this NIR is coordination. We are, especially kami dito sa Occidental and Oriental, we are one island, but we hardly talk to each other. Now with the new region, obviously we will be seeing more each other more often, and talking, no? So coordinated, whether we talk of environmental management or disaster risk reduction management, we're talking of tourism, basically integrated development planning will be coordinated already, no? Even the maintenance of internal security or peace and order, no? It will be coordinated also kasi dito sa Negros Island, isa lang yung kalaban natin, no? And so, by proper coordination from both security forces, mas makakatulong, no? We believed then, no, 30 years ago, that the next creation of a NIR will usher a unified and coordinated island development planning, no? That's why. Unlike now, we just think of Occidental, Oriental thinks of itself. But this time, because we share the same boundaries, it will now be coordinated. And most important also, no, which I feel is also very important, easy access to regional offices, no, because right now, kami dito sa Occidental, we have to cross to go to Panay. Ang Negros Oriental has to cross to go to Cebu. But we having our own regional offices, mas madali na ka land through land trip, no? As I said, everything really boils down to the leadership of this new region, no?